Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is time for the latest and the most comprehensive breakdown of the biggest news stories in Western Visayas here in Panay News Tonight. Public gatherings such as birthdays, wedding receptions, baptisms, and fiestas will be prohibited again in the province of Iloilo. According to the report of the province contact tracing teams, most cases of local COVID-19 transmission came from public events. Governor Arthur Defensor Jr. said this Thursday he is preparing an executive order imposing the ban on such gatherings. Here's what he said.
Iti ang tanan natin nga contact tracing and even as recommended by the PNP, contact tracers, ang problema ta ara sa birthday, ara sa himatayan, sa mga musina nga okasyon bala, kasal na so ginatanaw ato na kundi ng weak points natin, then we address that.
Some public gatherings, however, will be exempted subject to consultation from the Western Visayas Regional Task Force on COVID-19, the Department of Health, and the Department of Interior and Local Government, according to Defensor. Isolation facilities for COVID-19 patients in Bacolod City have been decongested as more barangays have been declared free of the virus. Based on the November 3 data of the city's Emergency Operations Center Task Force, 28 out of the 61 barangays in the metro remained COVID-free for the past 14 days. These villages were the following: EOCTF Executive Director M. Ang said that with the declining occupancy in quarantine centers, they are planning to implement a 1-to-1 patient-to-room accommodation ratio to further curb the local transmission of the virus. The Negros Occidental Police Provincial Office confirmed yesterday the first COVID-19 related fatality among its personnel. 51-year-old Police Chief Master Sergeant assigned at the Hinubaan Municipal Police Station is the NOPPO's first recorded mortality related to the viral disease, according to the agency's Deputy Public Information Officer, Police Lieutenant Wilma Silva. The cop was initially brought to the Hinigaran Emergency Center on October 28 after complaining to his family of not feeling well. Despite receiving treatment, the police officer succumbed to mild stroke on November 3. Meanwhile, Silva said some of the more than 30 COVID-19 infected NOPPO personnel who have recovered from the virus have donated their convalescent plasma to the Corazon Locsin Montiliban Memorial Regional Hospital Blood Bank. And those were tonight's latest headlines. This is Panay News, the #1 digital and printed news in the region. Don't forget to always wear face masks and face shields, sanitize your hands, and observe proper physical distancing. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, Western Visayas. See you again tomorrow evening.